Are you someone who is planning to start a new YouTube channel and you are confused how to begin or where to begin or what you should be doing? Then this is the video that you need to watch till the end. Hi guys, my name is Riya and welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be the fourth video of Revive with Riya. Now basically Revive with Riya is a challenge, a 30-day video challenge I've given to myself to revive my dead channel since I wasn't uploading consistently in last 2 months. So I thought, why not do this challenge and boost my channel growth. And for today's video I will be sharing with you guys how to start a successful YouTube channel tips. Basically I'll be sharing with you 4 steps that you need to follow to have a successful YouTube channel. And in case you're watching me for the first time, please go and subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon to get a notification whenever I upload a new video, and do follow me on my Instagram as well. I share a lot of tips and tricks there as well. And without any further ado, let's get started. So first let me tell you, take a book and a pen and sit down before you listen to the whole 4 steps of this journey. So now first thing you need to write down is, who are you creating these videos for? Basically, who is your target audience? Like maybe if you're starting a channel, a beauty channel, then your target audience should be somebody who is between 18 to 40 years of age, because these category of females watch such videos more. I'm not saying that other females don't watch, but these are the particular age category of females that watch. And definitely your category might be for females, but you could make videos that are unisex as well. Like skincare is unisex, there is nothing called as gender in skincare. So basically if your beauty channel is about skincare, then it can be a female audience with around the age category of 18 to 24. So you should know this. So when you know the age category, you know how your video should be, how crisp it should be, what should be the story time of your video. All these things you will know by the age category. And if you're planning it around gender, then females like something which is very much extra creative, whereas when it comes to male, it is like they don't like too much of pink in the video, and they don't like extra aestheticness to the video. They just want the straightforward information, मतलब जो चाहिए वो वीडियो में बता दो, बकवास ना करो, निकल जाओ. But if it is a female, they like to be pampered, aesthetic. ये aesthetic तो नया ही आ गया आजकल. So all this cutesy things is what you need to add in a female based video. So this was it. Now also when you're thinking about which category you're targeting to, you need to have your video that is either inspiring, entertaining or educating. These 3 things are really important, and only these videos do work on YouTube channel. Either your video is inspiring the audience to do something, or educating the audience, or entertaining the audience. Entertainment में वो videos आते हैं जो comedy हो, या तो फिर वाइन्स हो like आशीष चंचलानी और बीबी की वाइन्स, all these videos. If you're educating, then this video that I'm trying to teach you something is called educational video. You could even teach baking, you could teach anything what you teach your audience is educational video. And the last category is inspiring. Now inspiring is skincare video. Now if I'm taking care of my skin, I'm teaching you a particular skincare routine, then that is how I inspire my audience to take care of their skin in a particular way using the right products. These were the 3 categories that you need to keep in mind when you are trying to target your audience. Now coming to the second step, you need to plan a day when you will record your videos, a day when you will edit your videos, and a day when you will publish your videos. And these 3 things are really important. I know it might sound silly that अभी तो मैंने चैनल स्टार्ट नहीं किया तो ये सब क्यों सोचूं. ये सोचकर ही अपना चैनल स्टार्ट करना. अगर ऐसा हो गया कि you don't have time to manage all of this, then your channel will fail and you won't be uploading consistently. So to upload consistently, you need to plan particular day to shoot or film your video, day to edit. You could do both of these things in one particular day like me, or but one more day where you will publish the video. So if you are doing your filming and editing on Monday and Tuesday, you will upload or publish your video on Wednesday. Or if you are shooting your video on Thursday and Friday. So your video goes up on a Saturday or a Sunday, and whichever 2 days or 1 day that you're going to upload your video, वो days अपने channel banner में डाल दो. So you know your audience who is coming to your channel knows when to expect a video from you. So this is a very important step that I did not follow, and that is the reason why I was very inconsistent, because I didn't have a proper plan in my mind कि कभी shoot करूँ, कभी edit करूँ, कब publish करूँ. I used to do it and like you know in a very random way, and my audience never knew when to come back to my channel to watch a video. So this could be a very important step in your whole YouTube journey. Now coming to the third step, you need to decide why you want to start a YouTube channel. I know it is very fantasizing to start a YouTube channel or call yourself a YouTuber, but it is no, you know, it's not a joke to start a YouTube channel. I know it sounds very fantasizing कि oh you're a YouTuber, oh wow you come on YouTube every day, और wow YouTuber कितने कमाते हैं, या YouTuber का अच्छा है सब फ्री में मिलता है. बट YouTuber की जो मेहनत होती है ना वो बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, और उस मेहनत के लिए जो पैसे आते हैं वो बहुत कम होते हैं. So let me tell you what should be in your mind before you start your channel. Either you want to be an influencer like me. I am a nano influencer and I am trying to be a better version of a social media influencer. Or second, you are trying to promote a brand, your own brand for that matter. Like suppose now I have a small brand that is called The Color Junk. So I make a channel called The Color Junk and I'm trying to promote that channel. So in that I will teach you some tricks on how to grow your small business, or I'll teach you one way of making a bow that I make, you know. तो ये सब videos डालने से मेरे उस business channel को मैं promote कर रही हूँ. I'm basically promoting my business through various types of videos. Then the third thing could be to make your own community or to grow a community, to teach them something, to basically educate something. So you know there are technical Guruji जो है, you know, he is trying to make a community wherein he is sharing all the possible reviews about technical world, which everybody don't know or everybody cannot test. Everybody cannot purchase all the possible phones. iPhone 9 आ गया, 10 आ गया, 11 आ गया, मैंने सारे iPhone खरीदे, ये तो हम नहीं कर सकते. लेकिन he is doing this for us, and basically he has a community who is following his guidelines, because there are so many people who look up to him and then go and purchase a gadget. So this is basically building a community, which every YouTuber basically does. So this is what you need to keep in mind before you start your YouTube channel. कि what is the purpose of my channel? Why am I starting this channel? What is the exact reason to start it? And the fourth step and the final step is to choose your equipments. I know I always say that you know you don't need high-tech equipments. I again won't say that you need high-tech equipments to start a YouTube channel, but before you start one, see to it that you have gathered the basic ones. Like if it's camera, because camera is the most important thing you need to record, right? So decide which phone you will be using. ये नहीं कि आज मम्मी का ले लिया, कल मैंने पापा का ले लिया, कभी मैंने खुद का ले लिया, या फिर कल दोस्त का ले लिया. No, this will somewhere hamper the video quality. एक बार तुमने अच्छी क्वालिटी दे दी, अगली वीडियो में क्वालिटी ख़राब है, तो you know your audience will just unsubscribe. So rather decide which camera is the best and stick to that particular camera until you upgrade. Then you need to have a stand, right? In case you don't want to invest in a stand, there are a lot of cheap stands available. You can invest in that, जो आपको 200 रुपये में मिल जाते हैं. But if you don't want to invest at all, you can stack up your books like I did एकदम initially. Stack up your books and then you can keep your camera on that. But then you need to decide कि कितने books लगेंगे, height कितनी चाहिए, ये सब कुछ. Then decide which place in the house is proper, you know, जहाँ अच्छी lighting आती है, जिसका background अच्छा है. ऐसा एक spot you need to decide where you will film your videos. And then you can even decide that which will be the editing software you will be editing your videos. ये नहीं कि आज मैंने InShot यूज़ कर लिया, कल मैं KineMaster यूज़ करूँगा, परसों मैं Filmora यूज़ करूँगा. नहीं, stick to something one, you know, like एक ही सॉफ्टवेयर से स्टिक करो and then edit in that only. Learn different types of editing skills in that particular software only, because there are a lot of videos on YouTube where you can learn how to edit in a particular software. But try to stick to one software so it's easy and it becomes faster as you do it every time. Because if you change softwares every time, you will be learning something new and then basically वो पूरा एक वो हो जाता है. I have been using Filmora since the beginning and I still use that. It's been like a long time now, but I haven't changed because I know if I change now, somewhere it will consume my time to learn the new techniques to edit in that software. So I stick to the one that is the old one, which is really going good. So these were like the 4 important steps that you need to keep in mind before you start a YouTube channel. I know people might give you different tips, but these are like the basic steps. ये सबसे पहले कर लो, because I did not do this and I know how much my channel has suffered because I didn't do this. So I thought, why not I'll share these things with you so you can start a better YouTube channel and grow sooner than what pace I am going in. So yeah, that's all for today's video, guys. In case you find this video helpful, please like and share and subscribe to my channel, and also click the bell icon to never miss a video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.